Okay, folks, this is your old pal, Uncle Al, and I just finished feeding a bunch of people, and I'm taking the day off because last night I was sitting up, so I haven't slept for about 2 days. I think 2 days and 4 hours, I'm not too sure. Anyway, welcome to 2021. This is going to get tested royally. And 2, don't trust nobody, period. All right, no, I won't even trust myself. So anyway, in my dream, I still bought the tickets. I bought 2 tickets like the dream told me. And on the dream TV, which was kind of weird, it said somebody's going to be in a higher position is going to get arrested. So buy the tickets, stupid. And so I'm stupid, so I bought the tickets. And we'll find out. Catch you later, folks.